Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play one of the classics. I'm talking about Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. This is a beautiful song, really enjoyable to play, and it's perfect if you are beginning in fingerstyle guitar. It's in standard tuning, but they use a capo on the second fret. I'm going to do the tutorial without the capo, so that you can follow the tutorial if you don't have a capo at home. So take your guitar and let's begin. To start the song, we are going to put a C major 7. That's like a normal C, but we lift the first finger. And with the right hand, we're going to put thumb on the 5th string, middle finger on the 3rd, and ring finger on the 2nd. And we play those strings at the same time. That was 5th, 3rd, and 2nd. Okay? After that, with the left hand, we're going to do a hammer-on with the first finger on the 1st fret 2nd string. Remember that when we do a hammer-on, we don't pick the string with the right hand. Okay? After that, we're going to play the 2nd and 3rd strings, now without thumb. And that's what we do with the C major 7. Now we have to change to a G, but instead of playing how we normally play a G, we are going to do it like this. The 3rd finger moves one string up. It's the same fret, 3rd fret. And now we put the pinky finger, 4th finger, on the 3rd fret 2nd string. Okay, on the right hand, the thumb must change also and play the 6th string now, but the middle finger and ring finger play the same strings. That was the 3rd and 2nd. Okay, you get it? After that, with the right hand we're going to play 2nd string and 3rd string with the same fingers that we used. Ring finger, middle finger. And then we have the whole first measure. Let's try the first measure together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay. And now we're going to take the pinky finger on the left hand and we move it until it comes to the 8th fret of the same string. And at the same time, we take the 2nd finger and we put it on the 7th fret 5th string. The right hand plays, like in the beginning, the 5th, 3rd and 2nd strings with the same fingers. Thumb, middle finger, ring finger. And there we have an E minor. Okay, so from the beginning it sounds like this. Okay, I always think of the pinky finger when I do this change. I take it as a reference. If you need to practice this change, just pause the video and continue later. Okay, so now let's try together. From the beginning, first measure and this first chord from the second measure. 1, 2, 3, and Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and perfect. After that, we play only the 5th string with the thumb, and we change the chord in a way that the pinky finger moves to the 7th fret of the same string, and now we put the first finger on the 5th fret, 5th string. So there we have those two chords. Okay? Remember that we put a 5th string between them. Okay, so I show you from the beginning. Let's say that together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and now we end the second measure on the same way that we did in the first one, when we played second string and third. So the whole second measure sounds like this. Okay, so I show you first and second measures. I show you one more time. Now I think that we can try that together. First and second measure. 1, 2, 3, and let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and nice. And then we arrive to the third and fourth measure. They are exactly the same as the first and second. Okay, just it's like repeating. So now we can try to put together first, second, third, and fourth measure. 1, 2, 3, and again. Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay. Then we arrive to the fifth measure. That one is also as the first one. Exactly the same. But the sixth measure, it's not like the second one. We are going to come to the same chord, but we are going to use another fingers, because we are going to play another melody now. So we come to the same chord, but this time we are going to use the first finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, and second finger, 8th fret, 2nd string. Okay, now it's going to feel a little bit weird when we are used to change with those fingers, and now we have to change with those ones, first and second finger. So pause the video, you need to practice this new thing. Okay, so when you don't have a problem changing to this chord with those fingers, we continue like this. When we have played the 3 strings at the same time, we come with the pinky finger to the 10th fret on the 2nd string, and we play only that string with the finger that we have on that string, that was the ring finger, and then we lift the finger to play the 8th fret again. Okay, so I show you from the 5th measure. Okay. And now we're going to play again the same chord, the D sus4 that we played before. But this time we are going to use the 1st finger and the ring finger. Because we are going to do like this. We play all the 3 strings at the same time, and then we come with the pinky finger to the 8th fret, and then we lift and we play 7 again. And there we have the whole measure 6. In my opinion, this is the most difficult part of the song. Okay, so when we put together measure 5 and 6, it sounds like this. Okay, we can try that together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now let's do from the beginning. Remember that it's playing 2 times the same thing, and on the 3rd time we play like this instead. Okay? I can show you once and then we try together. Okay, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, we can try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and then we arrive to the measure 7 and 8, and they are again exactly than the 1st and 2nd. So now we can play everything. I'm going to play 1 time across everything, and then we try together. From the measure 1 to the measure 8. And then you have to repeat that many, many times. Okay, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn and you don't find it in my website, just leave me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video for you. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.